Hey guys, it's Cody with Home to Homestead, and today we're out here, another beautiful Virginia day, but it is getting ready to rain. There's some water droplets coming down, but I wanted to show you something. It's a common problem right now with all the rabbits out, and it is mutilated plants. You've probably seen this quite a lot, especially with our young plants. And you may be thinking, like, what's the best way to fix this? How can I keep the bunnies from fixing it, or from biting my plants? And well, the easy way to say that is to put a cage around it. There's a little bit more information to go along with that. So anyways, I'm gonna show you something really cool today, a product I think might make your life easier and save you some time. Anyways, let's get started. All right, so we know the answer is to put a cage around our plants, right? So that way the bunnies can't get to it. And while chicken wire might be the best product to do that with, to create these cages, I just want you to check out these prices here. And this is directly from Tractor Supply as of July 16th. And you gotta ask yourself, do you really wanna be paying these kinds of prices and then turning it in to, you know, a cage? Personally, I would like to use chicken wire for chicken things. And as a guy, I'm very lucky to be engaged to a very beautiful woman who pretty much lets me do whatever I want on my homestead as long as it looks nice. Well, when you have crappy chicken wire, you end up with cages that look like this, and best case scenario, look like this. This one's much better, obviously. This shows I do have some artistic talent. So my artistic endeavor is out of the way. You really gotta ask yourself, do I wanna take this high-priced product and turn it into a little cage? And the truth for me is no, right? So that's why I have this product for you today. And it's really simple, but I think it just makes life easy, and that's why I like it. So what I have for you today is the title of the video, the Vevor Plant Cage. And so this thing's super simple to make. I'm gonna start playing a video right now in real time in the corner of the screen, and you can see me put one together. But overall, it's just 4 pieces of metal, right? And they are held together with zip ties, right? Boom, boom, boom. These things are 12 by 12, so 12 by 12, and they're about either, I forget, it's either 10 or 12 inches tall. The cool part is you can get them online, and I got the most expensive pack, which was the 12 by 12 was a 10 pack for $41, and that is pretty expensive. However, you can get an 18 pack of just a smaller interior, right, which is the rounded version, and you can get that for $34 an 18 pack, right? And to me, that makes a lot more sense, because it's like, hey, these things are built for exactly this. You're not taking a valuable resource like your chicken wire and make it into something it's not designed for. Another reason I like it is this. So let's say I have my chicken wire here, and my plant grows up and it's all big and strong and the bunnies can't eat it. Well, what do I do with this, right? I guess I could try to unravel it and reuse it somewhere on the homestead. Well, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So, I mean, some of this stuff gets warped. You can see this is rusting because it's just been out here so long. You know, it takes them a while to make. It's just a hassle. Well, here's another cool part about the Vevor plant cage. So all you do is grab it, boom, folds flat, right? Which is super cool. And to me, that's awesome. That means I can take the product, I can put it away, I can reuse it next season when I'm planting more plants. It's easy to store, it's easy to save, and I'm not taking something that, you know, is, you know, valuable elsewhere on my homestead and using it for something it's not designed for. As you can probably tell, the video in the corner here has been showing you me putting together one of these cages, right? So imagine you come home from work one day and you've had a busy day. The last thing you want to do is sit out here and try to make cages, because you got to pull the wire apart. You got to clip all the ends, because trust me, I know one of my geese impaled himself in the neck with the cage, the little tip of the cage, and you don't want that to happen. So it's just so much work for this reward that you're using a resource and you're probably going to end up throwing away, which is just a realistic truth. Well, with these cages, it takes 2 minutes, 19 seconds to make. That was the link to the video in the corner of the screen. And it's done, right? I know some of you may think, Cody, like, this is pretty bougie. This is kind of like, you know, more than I would want or something like that. And that's fine. You know, the whole point of my channel is to show you products to make your life easier, make you enjoy your homestead more. And for me, I knocked out all 10 of these cages last night in under an hour. I just sat there, put the, you know, the little zip ties on them, had all 10 done, and I'm gonna go out there and place them today, and they're gonna be in place and ready to go. So to me, that is far more than I could do with a roll of chicken wire, trying to straighten it out, trying to clip all the ends, trying to form it into a cage. And I mean, another thing too, let's look at the grow area, right? Let's look at our grow area. So we have this giant grow area here, right? Look at this little grow area. This is all, right? This is just superior. And now, don't get me wrong, if you could find a way to make it, you could make the same product probably cheaper. But hey, you know, sometimes it just makes sense to let other people do the work for you. But look, I'm not gonna ramble on. It's a plant cage. Can't really go into detail that much. It's just, that's what it is, and that's what it does. But look, if you have enjoyed the video, be sure you like and subscribe. We got a much longer video coming soon, guys. I'm really excited. It is going to be a year in review of our homestead. So last year, June 26th, we closed on our house, and it's been a year now, right? And I've owed you guys this video for a bit. It's just been, life's been crazy. But we're gonna go through every upgrade our homestead has done in a year. And I just wanna show you what you can do on your homestead in a year. So that way, if you ever buy one, you ever get your own homestead, you're not thinking, man, it's gonna take forever to get there. No, it won't. So it's gonna be a longer video, so be sure you have some drinks and some snacks. But yeah, stay tuned. Well, look, guys, I really hope this video has helped you out. If it has, once again, please like and subscribe. We'd love to have you here. We're almost at that magic number of 500 people, man. I'm so freaking thrilled. But look, hope I've saved you some money. I hope it saved you some time, and I hope I've helped you out. But anyways, guys, it's been Cody with Home to Homestead, out here.